Again coming back to fractions and decimals. See here exercise 2.2. See the first one, which of the drawings A to D show. So here they have given 4 drawings. So in this you should find out these fractions belongs to which drawing. Okay, first one 2 into 1 by 5, 2 into 1 by 2, 3 into 2 by 3, and the last one is 3 into 1 by 4, 3 into 1 by 4. Okay, now we can see here 2 into 1 by 5. We can multiply the numerators and the denominators. There is nothing means we can assume that there is 1. Okay, now 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 1 5s are 5. Answer is 2 by 5 here. Here it is 2 by 2, 3 2s are 6 and denominator as 3, 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3, denominator as 4. These are the fractions we got, that is 2 by 5, 2 by 2, 6 by 3 and 3 by 4. Look at the pictures now. 3 drawings here. That is, one shows the selected part should be in the numerator and the total number of parts should be in the denominator. Selected shaded parts 1 and 2. So 2 is in the numerator, total number of parts 3. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Totally denominators are equal. Add directly. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. The answer is 6 by 3. Where is 6 by 3 in this? Yeah, third one. So third fraction is belongs to A diagram. Understood? Clear, children? Next one, B1. So here one part is shaded, another part is empty. You can see in this clearly. Here this one. So 1 is the numerator, total number of parts 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. Where you got 2 by 2 here? Yeah, second one. So second fraction is belongs to B. Like that the same for third one, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. First part, that is one part is shaded and the remaining 3 parts are not shaded. So we need to write as 4 total number of parts in the denominator's place. Totally it is 3 by 4. Where we got 3 by 4 here? 3 by 4 in fourth fraction. So this fourth fraction belongs to C diagram. Now the D diagram, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. This 2 by 5 belongs to, where it is? The first one. So first fraction is belongs to D problem. Clear, children? Let's see that one more example I will give you. Third main, first one, multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So first we need to multiply, and if there is any possibility we need to reduce the form, then we need to change it into mixed fraction. So 7 into 3 by 5. Multiply the numerator, 7 3s are 21 and denominator 5 1s are 5. 21 by 5. That's all you know. Here there is no chance to do the cancellation because this is prime number. 5 is prime number and 5 is not having 21. Divide this 21 and 5. 5 4s are 20. So what is the mixed fraction? 4 is the whole number, 1 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. 4 1 by 5 is the mixed fraction. Clear, children? See the next one. See the third one. 20 into 4 by 5. This I took. 20 into 4 by 5. Here if you do the cancellation, numerator and denominator you can do the cancellation. I said here nothing there means 1 is there. So do the cancellation, 5 ones are, and while doing the cancellation you should take only the same table, same number. So 5 I am taking here for the cancellation. So 20 also I should do with the same 5 table only. 5 ones are 5. So again 20, 5 4s are 20. So both 1 in the denominators. So 1 into 1 will be 1 only. 4 4s are 16. So here no need to mention denominator because 16 means already 1 will be there. Understood? See the next one. See the next one, children. 1 by 2 of 24, 46 and 2 by 3 of 18 and 27. So I am taking 1 by 2 of 24 and 2 by 3 of 27. Off means, you should remember that off means into, multiplication. 1 by 2 of 24 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, into 24. Half means you should write into. 1 by 2 into 24. So here it should be into symbol, and here you can see the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 12 ones are 12. What is the answer here? 1 by 2 of 24 is 12. Okay. See the next one. 2 by 3 of 27. So half means what is it? Multiplication symbol. 2 by 3 into 27. 27 in numerator's place. So cancel with the denominator. 3 ones are 3 nines are. So here it is 1. So no need to write down. 2 nines are 18. Clear, children? See the next one. 3 into 5. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. 3 into 5 1 by 5. See here. 3 into 5 1 by 5 means first you need to change this. 5 5 is a 25 plus 1 26 by 5. 3 into 26 by 5. Okay, multiply the numerators. There is no chance to do the cancellation, denominator and the numerator. So you can multiply. 3 26 is 78 by 5. Again find out the division for this. You will get 15 in quotient place, and here it is remainder 3. So 15 as whole number and 3 as numerator, 5 as denominator. So you can write it as 15 3 by 5. Clear, children? See the next one. 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9 means here 1 by 2 into 4 2 by 9. Half means into. Here 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 38 by 9. Here 1 by 2. Here you can see 38 is there in 2 tables. So 2 ones are 2 nines are. Sorry, 2 ones are 2 19s are. So 19 by 9 we can't do the cancellations. 19 is a prime number. So we can't do the cancellation with 9. So 19 by 9 is the answer. Change this into mixed fraction. If you change this into mixed fraction, it will be 2 1 by 9. Clear, children? See the last one. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So observe this carefully. Total water is 5 liters of water, and Vidya drank 2 by 5 of that, and Pratap consumed the remaining water. So we need to find out how much Vidya drank. Okay. So how much water did Vidya drink? So what is the answer for that? 2 by 5 of 5. Correct or not? So 2 by 5 of 5 liters. So what I said, of means 2 by 5 of 5 liters means 2 by 5 of the water. 2 by 5 of 5 liters means of means multiplication symbol. So 2 by 5 into 5. You can do the cancellations. Cancellation here, and you will get 2 liters. Clear? 2 liters of water Vidya drank. What about the remaining? So Pratap, how much water he drank, that we need to find out. See here, totally 5 liters. From that you need to subtract the Vidya drank how much? 2 liters. So you need to subtract 2 liters. Totally you will get the answer 3 liters. So Pratap drank the water 3 liters. Clear, children? Understood?